Are you planning your next occasion? Let's make your event memorable and special. Celebrate your party in style with Kuya Jose Native Organic Lechon. For us Filipinos, lechon is not just a meal, but a mouth-watering tradition. It is the star at almost every Filipino gathering and celebration, especially Christmas and New Year. Taste the difference of Kuya Jose Native Organic Lechon compared to the ordinary non-organic ones. The natural organic nutrients and enzymes derived from fruits and vegetables feed our native pigs. We make sure that our pigs are not injected with harmful antibiotics and growth hormones as compared with the ordinary ones, which may cause harm to human consumption. As a result, the pig meat of Kuya Jose Native Organic Lechon is tastier, more savory, clean and lean, hindi malansa, safe to eat, full of beneficial organic nutrients, and guilt-free, specially intended for the health-conscious consumers. Lechon came from a Spanish word which refers to a pig that was roasted. It has been declared as one of the national dish of the Philippines, just like adobo and sinigang. Lechon can also be found in some other places all over the world, particularly in Spain and other Spanish-speaking countries like Puerto Rico, Cuba, Dominican Republic, and many other parts of Latin America. American chef Anthony Bourdain visited the Philippines back in 2009 and declared that he had finally found the best pig ever. Did you know that there are two types of pigs that are usually roasted in the Philippines? One is the native pigs, and the other one is the commercial farm pigs. Basically, native pigs have more tender meat and have thicker skins because of two major factors: their biological makeup and diet. Therefore, it follows that ordering from a lechon provider that roasts native pigs is the wiser choice. Its meat is more tender, and its skin's crispness lasts longer. Tips on how to keep the crispiness of your lechon. Tip number 1. Lechon packaging. The proper packaging of your lechon in a well-ventilated container is important in retaining the crispness of the lechon skin. It's better not to store the lechon in an entirely enclosed container to avoid condensation, as the heat from the body of the freshly roasted lechon produces steam or moisture. The constant exposure of the skin to the steam or from the juice of lechon will make the lechon skin soggy. Tip number 2. The place where you store the lechon. Once the lechon is delivered, we advise that you remove it from its packaging, allowing heat to escape freely. Store the lechon in a place where there is no direct contact to aircon or electric fan. Tip number 3. Don't mix the lechon skin and the meat. While chopping the lechon, always remember that you have to separate the lechon skin from the meat. As I was saying, the constant exposure of the skin to the steam or lechon juice will make the lechon skin soggy or makunat. Now that you have already know who we are and what we do, I will show you our unique selling proposition. First, your satisfaction is our top priority. Second, we give our client the best quality that we can offer. Third, we only use native pigs for our lechon. Fourth, we make sure that it's 100% safe and clean. We use ultraviolet disinfection and sterilization module to disinfect foodborne bacteria, molds, viruses, and other pathogens like Salmonella and E. coli. Also, we use brand new lechon boxes to ensure the cleanliness. Fifth, we accept COD or cash on delivery. And lastly, we give big discount on bulk order. Now, here are some of the list of our clients. Please connect us to restaurants, events place, and hotels located in Tagaytay City. So what are you waiting for? Call us now and reserve your order today.